Facebook, YouTube, everybody online. Happy Wednesday. Believe it or not, it is the 3rd of September. Man, what a beautiful day it is out here. We're in Columbia, Illinois. As you guys see behind me. We're doing a hardwood job today. See my van right here. We came out about a month ago, did an estimate. We're doing a screen and recoat because the contractor installed hardwood floors and got glue everywhere, right? And they couldn't find nobody to remove it. They tried all kind of different remedies and they couldn't do it. So they called me. They saw my video, some reputation, some reviews, and came out, give an estimate. And guys, long behold, I'm able to take care of it. So we're gonna screen it, recoat it, emulsify the glue, and get it back to the original state. Let me show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so here's the van air. Beautiful property, by the way. Got everything out of the van, ready to go. And I did give them, as you guys know, if you do a service with hardwood or tile, I did give them my bottle NutriCleaner, $15 value. You can use this on all hard surfaces. And guys, residue free and a great choice for hard surface floors. So, and again, not just hardwood laminate, you can use it on your your tile and grout as well. So, all right, guys. And we're also getting ready to have some online shipping. If you guys want to order anywhere in the United States, stay tuned for that. Because we had that to come in, that's a high demand for that. So, all right, guys. Again, here is the bottle I gave them with aftercare instructions. So, get everything set up here, guys. You can see. But basically, what I'll show you we're doing is this floor here. Now, they installed this. It's solid hardwood. Beautiful. They put it down. This is factory finished, so it's pre-finished, and they installed this. But you can see they got all kinds of glue on the floor because they, instead of nailing it, they glued it. So you can see, man, and the client tried to do it here, and you can see they took the finish off. So they were not able to get this off successfully, and it's everywhere, guys. So glue residue. So we're gonna get that removed for them, and we're gonna soften it up, and then braid it and recoat it. Again, more right there, as you can see. But yeah, guys, kind of everywhere. And again, these are brand new floors, guys. So local flooring company did this, that's local. And we're coming to the rescue. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. This is gonna be a good one. And if you haven't done so already, give us a little follow, subscribe to our channel. This is a great resource for homeowners. And also follow us on Facebook. So a lot of good content there as well. And visit our website if you haven't done so already, wecansavefloors.com. Again, AOCleaning.com. Our home website is AOClean.com. So, all right, guys, we're also doing this closet area over here, and we're gonna get it back to a beautiful state. All right, guys, we're screening this floor, getting the glue off. Taking our time with the abrasion, because we made it soft. It's going good. You see that glue? See that glue, guys? Stay tuned. All right, guys, the hardwood team did a great job restoring this floor. We changed the color, went with the maple color, and got rid of all the imperfections in the boards. And the client is very thankful and grateful that we got this taken care of. And they are just over the moon on it, and so are we. So that's what we do. AOClean.com. AOCleaning, Floor Cleaning Restoration. My sanding team just got done restoring these beautiful hardwood floors. We did a maple stain with a satin sheen. And guys, Lori, our client, is blown away. And I'll let her speak to overall experience with our company. Without further ado, Lori, take it away.
Hi, I just wanted to say thanks to AO Cleaning and Jerry's for coming in and taking a very difficult and months-long situation and making it perfect beyond our expectation. They came in, the installation was not good. They took the finish off, and then it had to have more extensive repair done, and they did it in like pronto time and basically saved the day and saved my beautiful floor. So I can't thank them enough for the work that they've done, and I highly recommend. They did a fantastic job, and they were great to work with, easy to get along with, and they treated our home like it was theirs.